Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's Dr. Nasser here, and in this video we're going to understand the apical and basal cell polarity. Now this is a key concept in epithelial biology. If you understand how a cell is organized from top to bottom, you can better understand how it functions. Now let's imagine we're looking at a single epithelial cell. Instead of looking at it as just a shape, think of it as having a top side and a bottom side, each with a different job. Now the apical surface. If we look at the top of the cell, this side faces the lumen or outside environment. This is called the apical surface. This surface is specialized depending on the function of the tissue. For example, it may have microvilli to increase surface area for absorption, or cilia to help move fluid or particles. The apical surface is all about interaction with the environment. Now, let's look at the bottom of the cell. This sits on the basement membrane, therefore it's called the basal surface. The basal surface is responsible for anchoring the cell in place and also interacting with the underlying connective tissue. So it plays an active role in transfer of substances into and out of the cell. So the space in between. Between the apical and basal surfaces, the cell is organized in a very structured way. Different parts of the cell handle different tasks. This organization allows for the cell to work very effectively. For example, substances may enter from one side and then exit from the other. So why does polarity matter? In this arrangement, it is not random. Polarity allows epithelial cells to absorb substances in one direction, secrete substances in a controlled way, and maintain proper tissue organization. If this polarity is lost, the tissue may not function properly. So here is a key idea to remember. Epithelial cells are organized in a clear top to bottom approach. The apical surface faces the lumen or outside and is specialized for interaction, such as absorption or movement, whereas the basal surface sits towards the basement membrane and anchors the cell while connecting it to the tissue below. This organization allows the cell to move substances in a controlled fashion. So, in summary, cell polarity means that different parts of the cell have different roles. The top interacts with the environment, the bottom provides support and connection. Once you understand the cell polarity, many epithelial functions start to make a lot more logical sense rather than just needing rote memorization. I hope that made sense. Any questions, please do let me know. Leave in the comments below. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video.